Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your picture into AI, just like this one you're looking at right here. So you can see this, see, you love it, right? So I'm going to show you how to do the same, and this thing I'm going to show you for free is what other people are charging for, because I've seen a lot of people charging for this thing that I want to show you for free, guys. So I want you to relax, take a tea and enjoy the video. All right, so if today is the first time coming across my channel, my name is Sean Digital, and I give information on how to make money online, tools that can help your business to grow online. If that's the kind of video you're looking for online, then this is your home. Relax, subscribe, turn on the notification bell and give this video a like. All right, so I want you to do one thing for me before we dive into the video. Go to the comment section and write there AI photo, and I will appreciate that. Thank you. So let's dive into it. So you can see the AI we're going to be using here says train the AI. So you need to train the AI to make sure that you tell the AI what to do. All right, train the AI. Let us set up your AI profile. You can see this here, right? And then number one, pick your gender. You have to pick your gender here. We only need this information to better select the model images to generate your photos. All right, so if you are female, you're going to pick female. If you're male, you pick male. You can also start charging people money to do this for them. So if you're doing it for a female, you click female. If you're doing it for a male, you click male. All right, so once you now click on the selected gender, so I'm going to pick female right here. I want to do this for a female. All right, and so once you click on female, then you click on continue down below here. Then after that, the second thing you want to do, it is knowing how you look. We allow the AI to create amazing photos for you. So they need 8 of your picture. They need 8 of those, the person's picture, to be able to know how the person looks. Okay, so I'm going to select 8 picture of my wife, because I'm going to do this for my wife, right? So I'm going to select 8 picture selfie, 8 selfie. So I'm going to look for selfie picture of my wife, and I'm going to put that. So 8 is what I'm looking for, right? So you just go pick its picture. Then once you're done picking, then we'll click the next thing. All right, so just watch me while I do that. So I've selected 3 here, then 4 here, 8. So I have 8 pictures of my wife right here. So next thing you want to do is to click on continue. All right, once you click on continue, then you allow, now this face, pick a model image. So you want to model after this image, so that's what you are going to select it. Our AI will generate images of yourself with the overall style, composition, then of all the model image you pick. So you have to pick one. So this is top picks. So you can see top picks here. So you can select any of this photo here. You are good to go. You can select this, or this, or this, or this, depending on what you want to achieve. All right, so you can also go a little bit down. If you go down a bit, so you're going to see a lot of things. You can even make your photo outside like this, look like you're outside somewhere, look like you're standing by a vehicle. Okay, look like, so you just pick any of them, any of the model you want to model your picture after. All right, so what I want to do right now is to pick it. I'm going to pick this person right here, this police officer here. I'm going to click on this police officer. So once I click on the police officer, then the next thing I want to do right here is to click on this button that says use this model image. So I'm going to click on model image, then the AI will do the magic. So I'm going to wait for it. Now if you're doing it for the first time, after uploading these 8 photos, it's going to take like 6 minutes to finish everything. So just take your time if you're doing it for the first time. So just take your time and watch the video. So I want the AI to select all the photos and upload all of them. All right, so if you are yet to subscribe on this channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Why do you need to turn on the notification bell? You need to do that because when you do that, whenever I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to know and be the first person to start making money with whatever I'm uploading right here. All right, so I will pause this video and come back once this thing uploads. So now that I have all the images uploaded, so the next thing is estimated time. This thing, we're working on your photo, so they work on the photo and 7 minutes is the estimated time. So we're going to wait for 7 minutes. I'm going to pause this so that it's going to, I don't want to waste your time. All right, and I'll come back after 7 minutes. So what you need to do right now is if you flip to the left, it means you want to delete it. If you flip to the right, it means you want to save it. So you can see how beautiful it looks like. So what I want to do right now, if I want to save this, I'll just flip to this to my right. That means I love that. If I want to save this too, I'll flip to my right. That means I love it. If I want to delete this, I'll flip to the right, to the left. Okay, if I want to delete this, I'll flip to the left. If I want to delete this also, I can also use the button right here. You can see the button, this delete button here. Or if I want to save this, I can use the save button right here. So that's how you do it. And you can also change the model. If you want to change the model, just click on it right here, click on the change model. So you're going to see that in this place. You can see change model here, so you can change the model. So let's see, I want to change the model to something different. Let's pick this. Let's look for something like this one. Let's try this one. No, I don't like this. So you can just go ahead and select anyone. Okay, let's do something outside this one on a vehicle. So use this model. All right, so once I use that, then I'm going to wait for 121 seconds, 112 seconds. All right, so once I do that, then I'm going to wait for it. So guys, if you're liking the video already and you're here to subscribe, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button right here. I will appreciate you doing that. All right, so I'm waiting for it. Let's wait for it. I'll be right back. So we have a few seconds to go, so I'm gonna wait for that. Increasing quality, so let's wait for it. All right, so after that, it's going to change to that style. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so that you know whenever I'm dropping videos like this. And go to the comment section and drop AI photo. I will appreciate that. Also, and give this video a like if you've gotten any value so far. Thank you so much. Still waiting. So trying to bring out photo. Okay, so this, if I like it again, I'm going to just flip to the right. I'm saving it. If I like this, also flip to the right. If I like this, I'm gonna flip to the right. If I like this, I'm gonna flip to the right. If I like this, I'm gonna flip to the right. So guys, I need to show you this before I move on to the next thing. Now if you look at this part here, these settings right here, this settings button here, okay, that button, if you click on it, you always come there to retrain your AI. Why do you need to retrain the AI? You need to retrain the AI because when you want to do another person's photo, maybe you've done a photo for yourself, or you want to do another one for your sister, for your brother, your friends, or your client. So you have to retrain it, so that, because if you don't do that, when you say, okay, it generates a picture, it's going to be generating the same face that you've gotten earlier. So you have to retrain it. So let me click on the settings. Once you click on that setting, you're going to see retrain right here. Just click on retrain AI model. So click on this button right here to retrain. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to retry. Are you sure you want to retrain? Here you say yes, I want to retrain. That being said, then the next thing I want to tell you is that this AI application, it's not free, although it's free for 7 days, but after 7 days you are going to be paying weekly, which is you're going to be paying 1,570 naira weekly. So if you something you want to do, go ahead and do it. And then also when you download this app, it's going to ask you to do a trial or you pay immediately. So if you do trial, it's going to ask you to input your card details. So you have to put in your card details. Then once you know that, oh, it's very close to 7 days, just remove your card. You can always remove your card on the app. So once you remove your card, you're good. So that's for that. So let me show you the application that I am using so that you know how to get it. So when you go to Play Store, you are going to search for remini AI photo enhance generator or something like that. So this is a particular application. Once you download it, you are good to then you'll be able to do that thing that I just show you. So guys, and that'll be end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video.